Hello, my name is Graham Want, and in this video I'll take you through the process of importing this demo configuration. Let's first have a look at what was in that zip file that you've now loaded down. There it is there. There was two data files, and they're going to be used as input to EOM for this demonstration, and the other file is the XML file, which is a configuration file that's going to be loaded into EOM to handle these two print files. And something else we have to do before all this can be made to work is we have to add a couple of folders to the Enterprise Output Manager directory. Under that we create a folder called Demo, and under Demo we create a folder called Monitor Directory. Now let's go back to EOM. There it is after the installation that you've just done, and there's no management windows open. We can click on these icons up here and open them one at a time. You click them to open them, you click them to close them. To move them around, you just grab the top of the window that you want to move and you can raise it up. Let's go up to Tools, and you can see Configuration Explorer. This is the application which allows us to manage and configure all the different attributes within EOM, and there's all the attributes that we can alter. It's through Configuration Explorer that we do import and export of different configurations. So we click on Import Export. It's an XML file as the type of file we want to bring in, and now we shall point it at our XML file that we got in that zip file. There it is there. So let's click on that and open it up. As you can see, there are quite a few attributes that we're going to load now to handle those two particular print files. So we do an import all. On the left hand side you can see all the highlighted items, the one that we imported. We now do a save. We can click on the two floppy disks, or we can go to File, Save All Items. If the save is successful, we'll see the word ready down the bottom and nothing is highlighted. Now we'll just close the import export window, and we're just left over here with all the attributes. So just as a quick overall, the way that EOM functions, that everything will come in through some kind of communications listening path or through a directory monitor path. The data then gets applied to a file mask, which we have a number of them set up here, and if the mask is successful, then one of these jobs will be actioned: a print job, a transfer job, a backup job, an email job, a custom job, or a transform job, which is transforming an XML file from one format to another. So now that we've loaded this format in, this configuration in, and it's been saved, let's go back and run one of those print jobs through EOM. To do that, we will pick up, we'll say the demo B1 here for example, we'll copy it, we'll paste it into that monitor directory. And if all goes well, we'll see that job be processed through EOM. As we can see here, it's come into EOM and it's now in the file management window, and it came in through a mask Demo01B doc directory monitor, and it was sent to the print job management window, and it was sent to a printer called default, which in this case doesn't really exist. And what we can do now is just double click on the file in the file management window, and we can display the contents that would have printed out. And there we are, there are 2 or 3 pages of that. We'll just close that print preview down. We could also do the same thing in the job management window. We could double click on that file, and once again there's what you would have seen as printed output. Right, you've seen the little demonstration now, and it does work. So now you can work your way through the paper and see if you can get it to work also. Thank you.